Hi everyone, my name is Sarabjeet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the fourth type of user-defined function, that is int function int. In my previous video, I have already explained you the third type. First type and second type is also explained by me. If you have not watched that video, I will link that videos in the I button. Before starting this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel. After completing this function topic, I am going to start OOP programming. The OOP programming in C++. If you want to learn OOP programming in C++, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button also. So let's start this video. So this is the fourth type of function and in this particular type here is written int function int. So what does it mean? It means this function will take argument from the main program, main function, and it will return a value to the main also. So this type of function takes argument from main and return value to the main. It means both the portions are activated in this particular type. Okay. So I have created a program addition of two numbers, and in this I have written a function body like this. It means int add int a comma int b. It means these particular two values we will take from the main, and we have taken one variable int c, that is a local variable of function body. After taking variable c, I have written a formula a plus b, and the answer is stored in c, and this c will return to the main, so that's why I have written return c. As I am returning the c value and this data type of c is int, so that's why I have written int here. If I will return float value, then I will write down float here. So the type of value that you will return to the main, that type you have to specify here. Okay. After writing the function body, I will write int main. Inside int main, I have taken two variable a, b, c. That value I will take from the user, and there is one more variable s. After taking a and b, I will call function. While calling this function, you have to write down a comma b, because the value of a or b you have sent here. So that's why while calling this function, you have to write down a comma b. And when this function will be called or executed by the compiler, then it will bring one value with it. So that value, that answer will going to be stored in s, and then I will print that s with some message. Okay, so, and then close main function. In this way, you can create addition of two number program, and we are using a type int function int. I think this program is clear to you. I'm going to give you one more example. Second example is write a program to print the average of three numbers, and the numbers are 45, 55 and 65. Okay, in this I have created one function body, and I will take these three number int a, int b and int c from the main program. I have taken one variable d is equals to 0. So the answer is in d, and d will be returned to main. So this is the function body, and how we will write main. So this is the main function, and in this function I have called average function, and I have taken the values 45, 55 and 65 here. When I will call this function, then these values are going to be stored in a, b and c, and then that function will calculate the average of these three number, and the average or the answer will going to be stored in s, because the answer is returned by this function. So the value of d is going to be stored in s, and we are going to print the value of s. And this is the program of average of three number using int function int type. I think this program is clear to you. In my next series, I am going to start OOP programming, and if you are keen to learn this OOP programming, then do let me know in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.